Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today, in this video, we'll see how you can get the keyboard sounds on Android. For example, when I'm texting on the WhatsApp or any application where I use this keyboard, see here, when I'm typing, you can observe there are sounds coming out from my keyboard. When I press something on the keyboard, there is sound. How you can keep these sounds? YouTube. So on your phone settings, click on the phone settings from here or from the app drawer. So click on the phone settings and here you will find language and input, something like that. So yeah, navigate to the language and input. Under systems, click on language and input. See here under language and input, my current keyboard is gboard. Okay, so I need to open the gboard settings. So yeah, see here under on screen keyboard, my current keyboard is the gboard, which is from Google. I need to tap on this, and if you are using another keyboard, you should do the same thing. Tap on that keyboard and click on manage on screen keyboards and click on this gboard. So this will open the gboard settings. You can navigate in this way, or you can directly just open from here also. Wherever your keyboard is open, here the gboard directly have the settings gear icon. Whichever is okay for you, click on that and click on the preferences here. Under preferences, under key press, by default this will be disabled. That's the reason you are not getting sound on the key press. So when you enable this, there is a second step also. Volume will be minimum here, so you can keep it to maximum. Now check the output. Hello. How? See, if you observe the sounds, so if anyone is looking to get the key press sounds on Android, this is how you can do that. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.